Here's 610 12th Avenue. It's a middle unit, row home, 2 bedrooms, little private porch here. Step in. This is living room. The guys are still working in here. We have some space heaters running in here now, so. But there's gas, steam heat, and works really well. Just the owner hasn't turned the gas on yet. Oh, wood floors, fresh paint job. Fairly large kitchen here too. Cast iron sink, plenty of cabinet space. Spot for a dryer and a washer. You have a little backyard that's shared back there. Electric stove. You also have a basement for storage, but I was storing totes. Coat closet. So it's like this could be a dining room here. New carpet's getting on the steps. And here we go, is a front bedroom. You can fit a king size bed here, no problem. And there's a small bedroom here. And this has a little closet in here, but also it's an attached bathroom. So it's a pass-through bedroom going to the bathroom. New ceramic tile, remodeled bathroom. Really nice. And a walk-in closet. All right, if you're interested in the properties, go to our website at parasoleproperties.com. Parasole properties.com. And we'll be in touch by next business day with further instructions on how to view this property. We'll do a pre-approval, a pre-qualification. We'll be in touch by next business day to get you in here. And that's the basement.